Okay, guys. So today, my friend Sunshine is gonna be picking my loadout. So just show me the loadout. She doesn't have a mic. Sorry.
You want to play right now?
So crossbow.
What if
I'm
you
gonna
found
put
an
you this one. Hold on. Let me find crossbow. Crossbow. I don't have rocket launcher.
Sucks. They said melee only. We started winning, and we still killed them with melee. They switched to guns, and we still
Grenade?
killed them with melee. Yeah, join me. Wait, should I go by hookshot? I have enough. Should I go by hookshot?
Katana.
I've never this much ever.
There's only one left. I don't think you can really pick anything else.
Oh my gosh. Should we do another melee only?
I'm cooked. This is my only weapon?
Melee only, melee only. Melee only.
Crossbow? Do you want to use the same loadout?
No,
And then we play together? Like we play like these? Oh, pistol? Pistol does
Can we
2.
play three?
Pistol does 2.
Can we play three? Yeah.
So I take away both grenades and then do pistol? Okay.
I'm gonna keep my loadout.
Okay, how about we use the same loadout?
All of us?
You don't have to.
Because I can. I will.
Yo, if you're gonna play with us, you do though. Well, you don't have to, but like you can. Crossbow,
Wait,
pistol, and katana.
This?
Yes. Now come here. Come here. King Pawn 2. King Pawn 2.
I'm here. I'm right behind you.
Oh, my bad. I'm bad at crossbow, so if I sell, that's why.
Wait, King Pong 2. Are you recording a video?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, guess what? Guess what I'm doing later?
What?
A backrooms movie.
Okay.
Honestly, if this goes bad, can I?
What type of song is playing?
I guess if you want to.
Bodie, how many songs did you guys skip? It's not even on my playlist anymore.
Okay, so
match starting.
No, I'm not gonna go.
Round starting.
Honestly, I need my bomber. I almost killed it.
This is my first match on. I don't know what I'm doing. 100 sissy.
Down.
Wolf dead.
90. Oh, Sunshine dead. I'm dead.
Y'all all died? Come on.
I can't play.
Lock in because I don't want to 3v1 again because I killed 2.
I need to get
Round starting.
I didn't do. I did 18 damage. I sold on that. Behind you. Over there. Right here. Rushing you. I can't pawn you. W. I didn't do anything, so I don't know. So I sold. My bad. At least we won though.
Dude, do I leave have I don't have any space for my phone.
Round starting.
Honestly, it's okay.
He's a deagle spammer. I don't know what I'm supposed to do against him. Like holy deagle spam.
Got one.
90. 90. He's one.
Nice.
This is my first match too. That's so crazy. First match on, and I'm out, and we're winning.
Right, second match. This is both of us. Yeah.
Round starting.
Because I had a record for the movie.
They're over there.
Oh, I almost killed him. No! Honestly, keep on moving. Got one. Oh, God. Got one.
134. Let's go.
Honestly, no, it's not that bad. I could hear shots of this.
Round starting.
No! One of them changed to crossbow.
Round starting.
I know where he is.
141. Good game. Good game. Good game. I'm using crossbow as a challenge. Double team? So? I did most of the damage the whole time. Okay, so we're gonna have to pick a new loadout this time. No, hold on. Yeah. Okay, join me.
Can we do it?
Join me.
I really love it. Go full tripod on him.
Bro, you're not him, bro. You're not that good, bro.
Do you want to do that?
Nah, I'm waiting for my teammate. I don't know what he's doing.
Yo.
Oh, he went in a... No, he's in a
Guys, he
game?
wants to do some...
Okay, what's the new loadout?
He wants you to stay on. He wants you to
Guys,
stay on.
Rampager, I need you. Please get off. You're going to die. If you don't get off, you're going
Play with me.
Okay, so Deagle.
There's no way. Yeah.
Yo.
Killing me.
So first Deagle,
I joined you.
AR.
Here.
Star, where's Star?
AR.
Where's Star? Where the heck is Star? Where's Star? Yeah.
Deagle AR.
Where the heck is Star?
Deagle and AR.
Oh, where is Star?
Star. Let me get that.
Oh, wait, no.
Okay.
Wait,
And a grenade? What kind of grenade?
Yeah. Is it okay if I'm playing with them?
You're silver back 2, you can get on my team.
Oh, you're doing threes?
Silver back 2.
You're doing
Silver back 2,
threes?
you can get on my team. You can
We can play later though.
Okay.
Silverback, you can get on our team. Melee. Can I use this? Yeah. Okay. Then is that
Okay.
a grenade?
Okay, let's get started, guys. Come on. No, yeah.
Yeah. He's a cool guy.
Down the city streets, up and down the cities.
Oh my god! I didn't see we're all king people. I just said. I didn't see they were all king. I didn't see they were all king.
Match
Honestly,
started.
this is kind of like my loadout. I'm not even lying. Yeah, because my loadout contains like this and then
Round
the
start.
one's different. Yeah, that one's different.
$40.
I don't like
40.
one down. Watch out! Oh my gosh! I hit 100.
got hit 200. I got hit like maybe 198. That's just crazy. Hello? You still here?
Round starting.
I didn't hit him. I didn't get to do anything.
Round starting.
93-28. Polar bear's low. One dead and polar bear's low. One guy, one more guy. Go.
Honestly, the weed looks cool with my outfit.
For
I
real.
actually like it.
Round starting.
Wait, it's okay. Never mind. Yes, they are. Oh my god. Bro, I was at 1 HP, bro. I'm not
No, we were at a 5-0 someone.
Oh, I forgot I'm level
Round
52.
starting.
My guns.
Ouch.
98.
I was one because of the. I was low because of the.
How did
Your
you
game.
die to a sword?
Your game.
Die to a sword?
Wait,
what are we? How did you die to a sword?
Your game. Okay, so what's the what is it?
Come on, King Kong 2. So it's gonna be. Get over here.
Katana, that Katana and grenade, other grenade.
No. Don't want everyone and try to ask me Katana.
Uh huh.
You can come on my team.
That's my friend. It's my friend. It's my friend. Three people.
That's gonna be hard.
Let's go.
Okay. Oh yeah, guys. So we did the trending off video. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started.
So,
We're just gonna get another. We're just gonna get a random teammate. It doesn't matter who. Yeah.
you don't do twos.
Oh yeah, we're doing a challenge for a video. So that's why.
Yo, guys, you're on YouTube.
Huh? Yeah. I'm a YouTuber.
Me too.
You're on YouTube too.
Subscribe to King TV.
Hold on, can you join that? I'm doing a challenge. Can you join that?
You look like a YouTuber. What's the challenge?
Where he has to pick my loadout.
I'm not a YouTuber.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna cut this until we get into the round. Okay, guys, so we got into the round, so let's get started.
And a time tune, and I have a silver 3. Wow, that's good.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do, dude.
Match starting. Round starting.
I really have the worst unit. No,
Okay.
Shotgun spammer. Shotgun spammer. Yo, I got shotgunned. I don't know what I was supposed to do. I missed the shot. My bad. I sold that round.
Shoot with this loadout.
buddy, I just killed that one.
I sold that round because he shotgun spammed me.
Bro, I don't think we're gonna win with this loadout.
Round starting.
Because of my loadout that I think is so blue. Hit 174 and 47 7.
Scared of that
You can
shotgun, dog.
honestly use your bombs. You can actually
Oh,
Oh
200!
my god.
200!
Yo, there's a kid AFK in their base. It's just a 2v2. There's a kid AFK. It's not a 2v2. It's a 2v2. Don't worry. It's a
Like, teammates, where are y'all? Why y'all hiding?
1v1. It's a 1v1. It's a 1v1. It's a 1v1. Kill him and then
Teammate, why are you hiding? Help us!
Teammate, go kill the guy AFK. Right here, push him.
Please don't say. How do you lose to AR? How do you lose to AR? Come on, you're tiny too. You can't be. You're using AK is better than AR. Lock in, just everyone lock in, including me.
Round starting.
62 on green.
Bro. I forgot. Ooh, got one.
Oh my god. Yo, this King Kong actually sucks up again.
I didn't even hit you. I don't know what I did.
Can't do nothing.
That was me.
Yo, I never saw a more trash King Kong than this guy.
Got one. Got another one.
They all dead. Yo, they're saying that I'm bad just because I'm using sniper and I'm trash at sniper.
I have 2 and I somehow keep on hitting.
Round
myself.
starting.
I honestly picked this loadout because of the
Oh,
challenge.
45 and
74 on green.
getting targeted, guys. Because you're double teaming. No wonder I'm gonna run.
Got one. Very
Come
far away.
on. Oh my god. That stupid sniper, you got so lucky. Okay, I guess y'all like 2v1.
He's just being toxic.
Honestly, this is kind of good.
He's just being toxic. I don't know why. He's mad. He's saying that I'm an SP farmer just because I'm
Round
trash.
People like toxic people when they're watching videos, so you can get a couple views for that.
Flanking me is wild.
I'm not glazing. You're the first one that I see.
Nice.
Holy spam. This is why I hate spammers. Like, dude, watch out. He's spamming. All he does is spam. He's no skill.
Yeah, I got no.
Like, what is that toxicity?
I know.
We're gonna lose because you picked this loadout. Like, what kind of loadout is it?
Round starting.
I don't know. I like the people that but sometimes I'd be nice and give them the best. There's one kid right there. This kid's being really toxic for some reason. Because he thinks. There's one kid right here. It's the toxic person. He's out of game. God. Is it only up to like 2? Oh,
it's this kid.
Teammates, like, do damage. My teammates don't know how to do damage, dude. It's your fault. It's your fault.
Round starting.
I hit this guy 274.
Stick together.
Green guy.
Right here. Right here.
I didn't hit pink at all.
Oh, not the spammer, dude. I'm not going against no spammer. Like, dude, You're lucky. You're lucky that you have a spammer.
Bye-bye.
You're lucky that you have spammer.
Bye-bye, streak. Bye-bye, streak. Bye-bye, streak.
Honestly,
I lost because my teammate has to pick the worst loadout in history.
Y'all are both like 8 packs. And you're like
if you 1v1 him without my loadout,
I would have destroyed you. Okay guys, so I was gonna add more to the video, but I don't have any more friends online, so anyways, have a good day and bye bye.